Okay, test. YouTube, can you hear me? Shit. Okay, let me repeat myself. Okay. Damn. Okay, wait. Okay, so I was saying weekly, daily, they're all bullish to me because the previous weekly closed bullish, rejected my daily 78.6. So this level here is a 78.6 on this latest swing for me on the daily. So I'm long bias. The trade just now that came down was a daily and weekly pullback to me. I still think that there is a potential that it might come down a bit lower to 150 or maybe 149.800, but that's counter trend. Plus right now, where price is sitting, it looks like it's sitting on the latest 1 hour swing, 1 hour 61 pip area. So if it closes strong around this support, I might take longs. So I see how, because the 15-minute rejected off. It broke support, but it came back after that to close back up again above the range. So I'm going to stick with the higher time frame trend. No, it's not peak FX. It's someone in market fluidity, I think. I think there are a lot of hindsight traders there. There are a lot of people on this channel though. And they took their longs. What kind of trade is this? How did they enter?
There we go. 10 pips. Pretty much it.
Yeah, so this 1 hour looks like it faked up just now. Then it broke the 50-minute structure over here.
If you took this trade, give a like on the stream, guys. I know it was.
This was the 15-minute previous level of resistance, became support. Price broke, came back up, closing above now, so it looks like it's a fake up. So I'm waiting for the 1 hour close. %. No, Joe. The Zoom is not open for enrollment. I'm looking to restructure some things. I'll probably open it up again, probably in May. I'm still trying to fix up some things first before I actually do it up again. So the 1 hour candle closed about more than half of the previous candle. I don't really like this because it didn't break the previous bearish candle highs, so I think this candle is going to range here for a bit. Based on the 15-minute, I want to see this candle break this previous resistance first, because the bearish momentum is still quite strong for today. So if it can break this area, then I have confirmations to take it all the way back up to the weekly highs. So I'm not taking this long on the hour close. But it is a valid support forming off my 61 fib. If you think it's strong enough confluence, there is another support here as well on the left, where price rejected to this area here. Previous resistance, price rejected and formed support of it. So if you think that this is strong enough for you to take longs, then target should be around 151,400. For me, I don't like it enough. Not on a Monday. Stop loss below the 1 hour structure, obviously. Maybe Alexi KO after his birthday. Yeah, I think so. That's why, because London Open is in
It's now.
another 2 hours. Sorry, London close is in another. Oh my god, I cannot talk. The 4-hour close in another 2 hours. So if this 4-hour candle can flip for me, it means the bullish trend is still intact. This. Oh, Alexis here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel very comfortable with this inside bar. Every time I take trades like this, it gets stuck inside a range.
Morning.
Oh, took the longs on the hour close. Yeah, I think it should go actually, but just don't like it. Stop loss is, let's see. Was a bit too big for me also. So those inside, manage your trade. Oh yeah, Lexi shaved his beard. Or maybe he just trimmed it. Didn't look like a lot came off. Yeah, yes. For me, this resistance here, price has to close above it. So then I'll get my confirmation that the longs are valid. So if it closes above this, I'll wait for a retest or a higher low to form, then I'll take it back up here. So I can still wait. Let's see what's happening on GU. GU previous weekly bearish, daily. GU has a support here on the daily. So this whole area here, I don't know, GU seems a bit bearish to me on this whole area here. So unless you can break and close above this support here, I don't really feel very comfortable with the longs yet. GU still, because the weekly did close bearish on GU. Weekly bearish, daily, previous daily was bullish, but it's still holding below the support on GU. So those long, just be careful of this level, I think. Yeah, everyone just be careful, yeah, if you're long. I saw this. You should have space though. It's quite far away. Plus on this latest big swing down, let me see. Yeah, multiple rejections to the 61. Yeah, just be careful with the longs. Yeah, there was a resistance here on the 1 hour. So support this area, nothing, kind of faked out, then came back up, but it's still closed below. So this area, I don't see anything here. But when it came back up to retest, it stopped here as resistance twice. So support, and then right now I want to see if the 50-minute can close above the resistance. So if this closes above, we should be going up. I didn't want to buy into this 1 hour resistance also. Yeah, I wanted to long from, if I look at my 4 hour, right? Initially, based on the 4 hour, oops. So the levels are a bit messy, but I was waiting for price to come down a bit lower. Because on the 4 hour, this is currently sitting around the, it might close above the 38, so it's a very shallow retracement on the 4 hour for me. But based on the 1 hour, it could push to this highs first and then after that continue based on this latest swing on the 1 hour. So I think it depends on how you see it. But this one I didn't take the longs because I had this 1 hour zone right smack above me. And it's also the 50-minute resistance which I needed broken first. So Free rejection to where? $15 and $30 have no bottom wick. Is that bad? No. It just means that the bullish momentum is really quite strong, that the candles just keep pushing up. The sellers had no chance to make even a lower wick before the bulls stepped in and then continued pushing the candle up. So that's how I read the candles. This 15 can close above this resistance and also above 151. That will be the best case scenario for the retest. Then to continue up to the previous highs. So we've got about 3 more minutes. Yep, looks like a strong close on the 15, breaking the previous resistance. Those who are in longs should be okay already. Looks like there's volume today during London Open. So those that are looking on gold, I'm bearish today. Short buyers, I mean. So multiple rejections for 2 weeks to this previous weekly level, and then now this candle finally closed bearish. So based on the higher time frame trend, weekly has been making lower highs, lower lows. I still think gold is coming down. It's just that it's in this weekly range between 1746 to 1683 for me. So unless it can break this 1725 support on the 1 hour, I'm not touching gold because it's just bouncing within these areas here. But this week looks it's going to be a short week and NFP on Friday. Plus, I think a lot of traders have already packed up for March, so volume should be a bit funny this week, I think. So I'm half risk on all my trades, and I'm being quite picky with my trades this week. Good luck, Dre. Just don't over risk or take any funny trades. Should be fine. So far, this 15-minute is holding this resistance, and this is the previous 1 hour zone as well. The next one forms a new bullish candle. Then we should be able to take the longs. Trend is your friend, Dre. But it doesn't mean that if you trade in line with the higher time frame trend, you can over risk though. Risk management is still really important. Lexi, what version of Qbox are you on? I'm talking to Alexi. I think he's not on yet. He's chat only. No, Wes. I'm talking to Alexi. Yeah, Wes, he's not on mic yet. That's why. No one's on the mic yet. Yeah, Alexi, if you're using 2.05, right? Don't use the TP1 and TP2 buttons. They actually change the code on it, so it gets triggered like the moment you set it. Just close manually, if you want to take your profits. Do I think that GJ will break 151? 330. There is a strong resistance here. If I do take my longs, I'm going to take profits here first. Anything beyond that is a runner. So that's why I'm waiting for this candle to close to give me confirmations to take the longs. I don't enter without confirmation, because this thing could easily just flip and then come back down. So since today, this whole move was very bearish, and this is the first bullish break. Mm, 23. Bruh, you're supposed to shave beef on the stream. Boring. Oh, damn. Let's not do that. I might get blocked by YouTube. So 15 closed above. This looks set to go up higher. Made a higher low, so rejected the previous 1 hour resistance and then created that new higher support. So TP1, like I said earlier, is 151,400 for me. Martin, you in also? On the 15th? Let's go. Yeah, my final, I'm leaving the runner to go higher to the weekly high around 150 to 500. So once I reach 400, then I'll look at the price action and see how I want to manage my stops. So right now, based on the 15, I think, let me see. Yeah, price broke above all the resistance, clean area here, until 400 at least. Yeah, Max, I just entered on this previous 15 close. Because the previous 1 hour was too big for me to take. I didn't feel comfortable. Wow, nice. Wait, Friday was long, right? Where was the entry? You were quite low, I think. Oh, lucky. Did you add on any more? Or you just left only this one only? 150 to 19. Oh, you left your trade at break even? Ah, okay. Yeah, 1 hour, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, all clean till around this area. So that's why I'm securing, since today is Monday, I might secure a bit more here also and leave the runner, because the thing is, even though I'm bullish on the higher time frame, this is a lower high, so price could make some kind of weird lower high again and then retrace to this, maybe this support after that. I don't know. So as we approach this area, I'll look at the price action and see how much I want to secure, but I'm definitely taking some off here. Yeah, there's also low impact UK mortgage news. Thanks, Heisenberg. So my thoughts on the 4 hour. 4 hour is, there's no news that's pushing all these candles. This 4 hour for me, it rejected off a 50 fit, but the body's closed around the 38, so I think the pullback, the push up might not go very far. That's why I want to secure at these highs first, but I am long bias on GJ to the weekly highs at 150 to 500. I think it's going to retest or hit TP1. It might not hit to the point, so as you approach it, please be careful with your trade, especially since the bond you entered on the 1 hour, right? So you went in a lot lower, so I hope you manage to at least lock your stop loss. Your stop loss should be already in profit already, below this candle, at least at BE. News is in about half an hour. So 6 more minutes to the hour close also. 1 hour is very, very big. Very big bullish candle. TP1 around 151 400 and then 152 500. But as we come to the hour close, this candle looks like it's... I'm watching how this candle closes because this whole area here that I'm seeing, sellers are there. So I don't really want... If it doesn't really push that high, I'm willing to secure and close the trade also. Because this thing made a lower high before pushing down. So be careful with the trade as you approach this area. But tentatively, I have TP1 at 151 400 and 152 500. News, this one is another half an hour. Now it's 4 PM my time. It's another half an hour more, but it's low impact, I think. So I see this level of support here on the 1 hour. I see this body's closing here, so this was support. Then a lot of the candles wicked and then stopped here before it finally pushed down. So when this 1 hour candle closes above, I will lock my stop loss below this zone. Yeah, Dre. My zones and yours might be different, so you might have to mark up your own zones like what Aiden said. And given that this week is the last, really the last month of the last week of the quarter, right, in March, I honestly will not be greedy in my TPs. Like, even though this area is clean, going up to 151 400, right, if price rejects, I'm very willing to close the trade also, because yeah, profits is profits to me and I'm not playing this week. A little bit of profits is better than a loss. Yeah, Aiden, I noticed also. That's why I locked my stop loss really. Looks a bit dodgy. I think that was about 20 when you close, right? If you entered around the same price as me. Yep, so my stop loss is locked at BE. I took 50% off my trade already because I'm not very sure about this rejection. It could be creating a new lower high. I'm not sure. So if it goes, then it goes higher for me. But I secured 50. What will I do if it returns to my entry point? I'll get closed out at BE on the runner. Because this swing, I think it's where price stopped. Let me see. Yeah, Angela, my entry was 085. Thanks, Evan. I think just now they took the longs also, right? I saw on the 15-minute. But the stop loss was very tiny. I don't know how they took it. They got it lower than me. Oh, they traded the 1 minute. Okay, okay. No wonder the stop loss so small. You or Luke and the rest? Oh, okay. I don't know, after I entered then I saw the entry, the stop loss was super tight. 151, 200 for retest. Yeah. My stop loss is at slightly below this resistance, I think. 0.95. JPY is going to be weak this week. Weak, so the pound should go up. And the rest of the yen pairs. Okay. Let's see your winner. Previous support, previously bullish, yeah. Nice catch on this one. Oh, I think of 150 to 150. No, the 4 hour has not closed, Dre. But the candles 1 hour, 4 hour both are quite big, yes. Showing bullish momentum continuing. If this 4 hour can break the highs, 152, 150, so far I don't really have that level. It looks like based on the 4 hour, might be around 200 for the resistance if you're using the bodies. So if this, in about 50 minutes, if this 4 hour can close above its own resistance here, then this more likely should continue higher. So right now I'm at BE already, so let's see where the runner will go. If you're looking to stack positions, I don't suggest until you can break this area. So if price can break above, then it's safer to stack. But if you're stacking from below, You might hit this 4-hour resistance and then bounce off. A and D.
Yeah, Ellie is in profit.
Bro, my entry very high, I feel.
Profit, profit, profit. No problem.
On the 1 hour, it looks damn late. Wait, the 1 hour, the stop loss was smaller, would have taken it already, but it was a bit too big for me. Plus, this candle is hindsight, right? Nobody will know it will be so big.
But you entered in 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, after the retest. Confirm the longs. But I also used the 50-minute structure to place my stop loss, so should be fine.
Yeah, 15 minutes is impulsive. Yeah, higher lows, higher highs.
Are you still holding your trade from last week?
No, I'm out.
Oh, you closed on Friday?
No, it's out this early morning.
Oh, on this
I put it
retracement.
below the 4 hours.
Oh, okay. Oh man, it tapped. It grabbed the wick here, right?
Yeah.
Damn. And then it flipped. But well.
I re-entered again at the 670.
Oh yeah, you're looking at the area just now.
And one that I said in this morning.
Why 670? Is it on your Tradingview thing?
Yeah, with the Fibonacci as well, and also in 1 hour I often use a line chart to just like looking at the important area and then and see from there.
Yeah, just now I couldn't really see the levels when I used the candles. That's why I kept flicking onto the line chart, because the zones now are very messy. They're all stuck together already. So I don't know which area is more important. I have a lot of levels here.
I waited for the 1 hour to close. Where was it, like 7 a.m. because now the time is coming back, right? It's going like the old time.
So you waited for the 1 hour to close above 670. Then you bought it.
Yeah, and then the next flip.
So your stop loss under this big 1 hour candle?
Under the red one, yeah.
Oh, the red one?
Under this one.
Oh, okay.
Not this one. Too risky.
Oh no. Wait, your entry was on this candle?
And flip this.
Oh, okay.
I wait for this one to close. Because this also a Fibonacci level.
On the 4 hour, right?
4 hours, and then also I think was daily. 50 daily.
Oops, sorry. Where you fit from?
From this candle itself.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me see. This candle. Oh, so you fit from this soon. Yeah, I fit the same area also. But I didn't pull back very deep. This thing here, it's like, it's not a body. I was a bit uncomfortable. But I rejected my 50 feet.
Yeah, when I woke up this morning, I saw this thing happen, so I feel like, okay, I just bought it here. The first target will be lower high, and then hopefully we can break this. Because we're basically still in bullish.
Yeah.
we have the same bias.
So you move your stop loss to BE already, right? Because this one might form a
Yeah.
lower high.
I took 2 positions.
Oh, you closed one already.
No, I still hold it. So
Oh,
I want to see if this 1 hour close and then we created a lower high and then we going down, then I closed one because I was expecting this to be broken. But let's see, because this could be like we could be continued down
yeah,
for a daily pullback, you know.
yeah.
It's also possible, but yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I think where I put my stop loss, right, it might get tapped before he wants to go up also. So sadly,
Yeah,
the
but
stop
you
loss.
already did you take partial?
Yeah, I took already. Because I saw the risk of a lower high forming.
Yeah. Oh,
Do I see a 4-hour level at 151, 280?
You still alive?
151, 280. Hang on, let me see my broker.
this
No,
is
I,
coming. Oops, sorry. Go ahead.
no, I don't really see 151, 280 as a support. I know the wicks are stopping. Wait, let me look at the line chart. It's really very messy now. If I just use the area here, I think this whole area is going to be a very large area, but the candles are wicking up and down, so it could be possible that your area is valid also. Because if you look at the candles, right, the resistance closed here, then after that it tested as support. This was a fake out, so this is irrelevant. Yeah, so the zone is quite big, so your area 280 might be valid. Yeah, Andy, what were you saying?
Read Discord.
Oh, wait ah. Using O&D, let me see. $280. Oh, if it's if this is a zone, then yes, it looks more valid on vendor. Yeah, but my candles look exactly like the FXCM chart. So I think this whole gray area is just problematic now for GG. If this 15-minute closes bearish, I'll cut my trade. Cause I think I want to see if price can hold this level after that. If it holds, then I'll re-enter again. But I'll cut my trade first. So, cause this one is engulfing lower high so far. So I think I'll cut my trade first. But I'm waiting to see how the 15 closes. And it's going into news also.
What news?
Very minor news, mortgage from the UK.
Ah, okay. Hmm.
Andy asked Martin to help you tell. I couldn't find Martin's post, you know, I'll repost his post already. I think Martin's post was quite a long time ago.
Rico as well, is it?
Nico also.
Wow. Well, this,
Don't be jealous
this is not the first time.
that you
Like, they didn't ask me like with FTMO.
I know. You want? Let me ask Malcolm. Malcolm, Andy jealous. He also want.
Oh, is Malcolm in the
yeah.
FT now? So he's
Malcolm
not
is
trading
working
anymore.
for the. I don't think he's trading, or rather, he cannot trade with funding talent. I think he can use FTMO, but he cannot use funding talent. Why is gold consolidating so hard? It's been almost 1 week. I don't know. I really don't know. I know gold is stuck in a... This... Anyone know how to get rid of this stupid thing? It's damn big. This blue thing. It's blocking my way, man.
What's that?
Hey, see the blue color thing? It tells me that it's gold and this is the price now. I don't need it. I'm not blind. I can see on the top left. I don't know why they included this. How to close? Yours doesn't have?
No.
Damn. What I did.
Go to symbol.
Symbol. Last
And
price
I
line.
think Breeze shouldn't. Maybe this should be unticked.
No, but this cannot. I cannot untick it. Is it here?
Hold on.
Bruh, what I did? No overlapping
Oh, yeah.
labels. Oh, okay, wait. Is it this? No, it's not.
I don't know.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, it's this one. Stupid. Why would you put here? I cannot see my labels. So irritating. Ooh, look at GJ. Flew! Damn.
Wow, what happened?
GJ flew. He broke the resistance already. Andy, I want to show you something.
Hmm?
Mm.
Hmm.
Mm.
You drew it on the 1 hour 61. It respected a 50 for me. Like, I rejected a 50. I drew it from this swing low. Oh, sorry, 61. Yeah, you're right. My bad. I didn't take that entry though. The one on the 1 hour. Pencil. The stop loss was very big. I took the 15-minute retest.
There was news, right? If I'm not wrong.
Haven't come out yet. Oh, Malcolm is here. Malcolm, you cannot trade with funding talent already, right? You only can use other prop firm, right? I also want to work for them. Can or not? Damn.
I want to work for them, eh?
How do you apply? The time when Jessica put out the notification for job, is it? Wow, why is it flying, man?
Is it customer service? You do
Why
it.
do you?
No. Yeah, Malcolm, what are you doing there?
Is it the CS?
Messaging Jessica.
Wow. He randomly messaged and then he got a job. Wow. CS team. Oh, okay.
I want to work under Josie. Can I be her secretary?
Oh shit, they interview you at 4 AM. That means you can work
Oh, we all work
online
under
now.
Josie. That's the dream.
Okay. Yeah, review. I don't see any news also. That's why I just first check. Other than it flew even before the mortgage thing. Oh, this candle is huge, man. It closed above resistance. This thing is going up, up, up. Got 31 minutes to the 4 hour close. I'm gonna adjust my stop loss. What? I hate that this zone is so damn big. It's so disgusting. I feel like having allergic reaction to big zone. Let's see. Where's Alexi? Is he shy? 357. Okay, my stop loss is now at 357. 151357. Oops.
Now I think we can reach 151 800 maybe.
Yeah. Let's see. 151 800. That's the next area already. On the 1 hour, right? Support, resistance, yeah, around this area.
And then from there we can go down to 100. No, just kidding.
Don't go up higher. Higher plus.
I think we are still in the middle of big time frame range. Bro, 1 hour is already like
Giant.
yeah.
When you say big time frame, is what, daily? Look at the daily. This candle looks like a rocket. You gapped up, man.
Yeah, wow. I think you can go to 152, 500.
Yeah, y'all got gap on your brokers also, right?
Yep.
Yeah. I don't know, I'm trailing my 50% run already. I pushed the stop loss deeper in the profit. Isn't break even your entry, Dre? Unless you re-entered again. Break even should be the entry, right?
I closed one of my position.
Whee!
Wee.
Wee wee! How big is this range? Oh, 22 pips. If price closes above 151 800, oh, this is going to fly. This 4-hour candle is damn big. It broke all the pullback already. When it even closed up above the... I think last week this whole area was the... whatever, people were trading head and shoulders or something like that, right? This pattern here. Closed above the neckline already.
I'm not sure that we're gonna break 150 to 500 to be honest, but
No, I don't know whether it's gonna break, but that's like my TP. I don't know, beyond that I really don't know. Where, how to see? Let me see. On the weekly, 152. Yeah, 152 500. Previous weekly high, but it's also near the resistance on the left. So if that breaks, right, the next resistance is around 154 that I have. Around that area. But these are very big levels, so we still have a lot of time. There you go. Martin, you got your answer already.
Who would complain about Tickmill? What the hell?
It's that they don't want low spread, but then they they complain about the close.
That's such a BS.
Maybe that is Malcolm's script.
Tickmill was the best for me.
Yeah, Tickmill was so good.
Spread wise now.
I had no survey issues at all.
Okay.
The worst was like Vantage FX.
Vantage, so many people had issues.
Yeah.
Even on normal live accounts, so a lot of people complain about them.
Ooh, is it?
Look at Mesa's account.
Oh,
Raja
got
also
under
close.
Vantage.
Yeah, but Mesa was using standard account. Now Raja also closed his Vantage, but that's because they moved out of Canada. But another student before that, he was also using Vantage. The spread on the
Yeah.
ECN account also not that low, so not very worthy. Okay, so the entry on this one, there's two ways you can take it. One, you can use the 1 hour. So those that some of them took it on the 1 hour, I didn't because the stop loss was a bit big and I didn't like to trade into this 1 hour resistance here. So if you look left, I didn't want, when this candle closed, it closed more than half of the bearish candle, yes, and it was off a 61 feet area, but I didn't want to bang into this resistance here. So I waited on the 15 for price to break above, which is this candle here, break, retest higher low, than I entered. Yeah. Y'all got, Funny Talent got Vantage also. I
I
thought
think no more already, if I'm not wrong.
very long time ago. Oh, okay.
No, the brokers are the only one that is good is Exness. But Exness also has its like cons.
Oh, Matty Nice.
Mm.
Is your MT for the 4 hours
Yeah,
candle
it's
different?
It's different, yeah.
Wow.
Daily also different.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
I use Tradingview to see, you know.
Yeah, which I use only
Yeah.
like 1 hour.
Yeah, I don't see the chart on MT4.
So you guys were at disadvantage advantage. Wait, how do you know that Boris is coming on later? Someone said Bobo alert. No, Angela, it's not an impulse entry. Impulse entry is when you don't wait for this 15-minute bullish candle to close, then you enter when it breaks the highs without this candle closing. I waited till the candle close, confirming the support, then I entered. Let's see GU. Ooh, GU also flew. Yeah, he broke the resistance that I was worried about. So now you just gotta get through this area here. Are you still in, Airborne? Get through this area, GU should continue up really. Because the daily should have flipped my thing. Yeah, flip bullish with a gap. Whee!
To be honest, I'm happy if pound gets stronger. One more lockdown.
What the hell, no. I want to visit y'all.
Huh?
Enter here. Oh, you entered same as me. Both in far away. Oh no, so okay. The thing is, the psychology behind the trade, right, is if this entry you were willing to take it and you're willing to put it at BE, means you don't think that price is going to come down already. So you should protect this one also. So protect all these profits. Yeah, so you should shift it. For me, once this candle, right, close above this, oh shit, worst line. Once it closed above all this resistance, I shifted my stop loss up on the runner. So I put it slightly below this zone because I don't want it to come down. So that's why I'm not securing on the runner anymore. I'm just trading my stop loss up. Damn, look at Alexi. Bruh, why you shy? I enjoy seeing people's blown account. Yay. Whoever took the trade profited. Give me a like, please. Thanks. Free likes.
No dislike.
Bruh. Free likes.
No dislike.
Why you like that? Kick Andy. Thank you, Breen. They pay you in what? Euro ah? Oh no, sorry, they pay you in Canadian dollars or US dollars? What is due? Payroll and
Yeah, that's the thing.
compliance.
There's no tax and there's no CPF, so the pay is actually quite high. if
Yeah,
you
good what? Some more it's foreign currency bro.
Because if they pay to like US citizens, right, you have to have tax all this. So
Oh,
it's like,
no wonder they want to hire foreigner ah.
no. As a foreigner, you
It's your
get
benefit.
yeah.
Hell.
Yeah, what's up?
What is no?
Nope.
No. That's on YouTube chat. What is no?
Oh, NUH.
What's that?
NUH is a National University Hospital.
Oh.
No. No. Okay. So we've got resistance form. Yeah. I took the same trade as you. Olga. So price broke this resistance. Exact same analysis as you. So that's why I didn't take it on the 1 hour, because this area is a 1 hour resistance for me. So I waited for it to break, retest, then I entered. Same as you. Exactly the same. Wow. Let me see. TP1 500. TP2 700. What do I think about gold? Gold is stuck in a very disgusting range.
I think gold is XAUSD.
I'm short bias on gold, so unless it can break, it looks like it's trying to break already. So I have a daily support here. Like this whole area here is daily support for me. So if it can close below all these candles, preferably below 1725. Sorry, no, 1722. 1722, then I'll take it. Short. But as of now, I don't really like it. And I'll short it to the weekly support at 1683 500.
Wow, 15 minutes, 1 hour rejection. Ta-da-ta-da.
Da-da-da-da.
Damn, Daniel. Thank you. I heard that, Andy.
Wait, what? Not me.
Bruh. Alexi cut his hair also.
Alexi, just show us already.
Yeah, bro.
Why are you
I-
being like that?
Why are you being like that?
Suspense.
You wanna be like that, you can go sit in the waiting room yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Shall I message his mom to take a picture of him?
Yes. Quick guys, we want to see Alexis' beardless face. His baby butt face.
Okay, I would like it with all my accounts.
Okay.
Alexia, I told you to trim it, not to shave the whole thing.
I gotta like my own stream.
I mean, you see how much the legs go up.
You liking now, Martin? Bro, you just jump by 2.
No, you went by like, you see now it's 57.
3, right?
Now it's
8.
57.
58 already.
Now 58.
Look at this birthday boy.
Oh, look at that.
So
8 more.
demanding.
Okay, I'm gonna make a few more accounts.
No, you cannot eat. No, come back here.
6 more. Now it's at 63.
He's running away without showing us his beardless face.
His baby bum.
Ooh, 4 more. 4 more likes. One more like. It's at 68 now.
Bro, it's 70 now.
Ooh, open your mask. Take off your mask. Take
Show,
off your mask. Take
show
off.
us your pikudong.
Oh, oh my god. Dude, you look better without a beard. Right, everyone.
Oh,
Oh,
you look younger, Alexi.
Huh? What?
He looks younger.
You missed it.
Guys, don't show. Oh, we need to make
Yeah.
a form.
L, you missed it.
You missed it.
No, L
Bro,
can
Bruh.
she can rewind YouTube.
Bruh. Why
He
you
looks like a
that?
baby's bum.
Baby's butt.
You look younger, Alexi.
No shit.
No, you just gotta grow it out a bit more.
Yeah, man. You have to cut it down so it grows stronger next time.
Bruh, why are you using the gun on your head? You're supposed to use it on bone.
It's actually funny. It knocks your head back.
No shit.
Can you like zoom in to his face, then put it?
Oh.
Look
Bro,
at
you look like Guala.
Oh no.
And I whoop.
Wow.
Alexi, come closer, please.
Come closer,
Nah.
please.
I'm okay.
Come on,
Take
Alex.
this off my
Nice cut. Oh
He looks
my God.
older actually without the beard.
No.
You look older.
He looks younger.
I
Look at him.
think L is
think
I think it
very
was a bit special.
carefully about the next.
L just wants to look younger than you, that's why.
Damn, now he looks younger than me. Fuck.
Okay, now unlike the YouTube.
Hey.
Okay, now can you turn off your webcam, Alex? It's enough.
He's very shiny. Oh, my eyes.
Too exposed.
Yeah, don't you feel naked, Alexi?
Wasn't it very satisfying to get rid of it?
Yeah, it is. It's I
It's like
think
hairless.
Bro, why did you cut your sideburn?
Oh, you know what was happening?
What happened?
I was supposed to make it spiky and I fucked up, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get rid of the whole thing.
What?
Spiky.
Yeah, like a bit sharper, but I messed up.
Why don't you just
There's an angle.
get a fade? Like take a shaver and get a fade.
Cause I don't know how to do a fade, bro. I'd rather not give myself a fade and mess up than have a shitty fade.
Bro,
for the
there's a right
next
angle on your head.
3 weeks.
I found X.
Find X.
Bruh, right angle.
Find X.
You didn't go to the barber to do that, right? You just cut it yourself, right? Fuck aside. No more vape sound.
you look so young.
Who's this intruder? I think we need to kick him. Let me see. It's 4 hours. Ooh, 4 hours. Looks like it wants to close below the resistance. Problem!
Is London open now 3 p.m. our time?
Yes. Yes. Then the 4 hour close is 1 o'clock and 5. Yeah.
You know, I hate it last time because I used, like, my friends used to like keep asking me to shave my beard. Then after I shave it for them, then they'll say, "Oh my god, you look better with a beard." I'm like,
It's like, walao, you all tell me to shave.
then in the next 2 weeks my beard grew again, right? Then they'll do the same thing.
Maybe they just want to see, like, before and after. What if GJ fix up? It comes back inside the range. GG.
Ooh, what a rejection.
Looks
Damn.
like a fake out to me. Maybe it's pulling back to make a deeper retracement before it goes up again. Ooh, no wick. No bottom wick. Ding ding ding.
Is there a gap? There's a gap on my broker.
The 15?
Yeah. Is there?
Yeah, let me see mine.
There's like a 1 pip gap when he went up.
Oh yeah, have. Wow, it's like right at the resistance, man. It looks... But this one is the 4 hour close. 4 hour... let me see. 4 hour close above this previous rejection area. This area here. It should still continue going up, but I think it might make a lower wick and get my stop loss first, then continue going up. So if it wants to test, let's see, maybe 200. This was the most recent level of minor support.
Anybody watch Wonder Vision?
Not very nice, eh?
You finished the series?
Yeah. Not
I
very
haven't
good.
finished yet.
The beginning, the front part was damn weird.
The final part was nice, I think. I like the sitcom.
As in, it's different, very different style.
I enjoy the sitcom.
When I watched it, I was like, am I watching the wrong show? Why this Marvel show like that? There's a new one, the
The
flying.
Falcon, is it?
Yeah.
That's what you Falcon. Did you subscribe to the Disney Plus?
My brother.
Oh. How's the app? Is it good?
Yeah, not too bad. Not as good as Netflix.
Like, is there a lot of variety?
Yes. They brought back a lot of the older shows also.
Is there like a lot of Pixar movies?
Yeah, I have recently they put more.
Ooh.
Alexi is addicted to the gun. Use the sharp one. Use the sharp hit. Bro, we have the same gun. I probably should stop saying gun on my YouTube stream. Do it.
Don't bring this out to public. Oh my god. Oh.
Go is so stuck, man.
Oh. Gold.
You still short bias, right?
Yes.
Hmm. I need to break first. These levels here, the wicks all very nasty. In
It keeps
reject,
knocking this area. See, it
yeah,
keeps
that's why.
touching.
That's why. That's why I don't want to do anything until it makes a clear break. Oh, I can do this. Let me see if this is clearer. No.
Oh, it went up. GG.
4 hour zone. It's either a fake out, if not then it will continue higher, I think. Now is, let's see. This has to feel the wick close above this resistance on the left. Oh, you went to renew your StarHub plan, is it?
No. I use the illegal
Oh,
streaming.
okay. Okay lah, don't need to pay. Really don't need to pay.
Yeah, but I was still thinking of getting Disney Plus. Like more convenient, right?
I mean, our internet is quite fast already. Even if you stream on your phone using your data, internet also quite fast.
Mm.
Yeah. Wow, what's the spread on the Mexican peso and the Turkish lira, man? Let's see. Wow, look at this nastiness. Look at this comb.
Oh, it looks like a spine.
Damn.
A skeleton.
Fish bone.
Yeah.
GG. The problem I have with GJ is this candle, the 1 hour, closed right at the same place as the previous resistance. So look a bit dodgy. It might wick fail then come back down again.
Then maybe you can take like partial.
Let me see how much I have left. I see how this 15-minute close first. Because if it forms another higher low, then maybe I'll just leave it. Because my stop loss is already below the support. Daily resistance is at 150. 1900. Don't be jealous of my head. The thing is this, on the 15-minute, this bearish candle, no wick, no bottom wick. Then if this bullish candle closes more than half of the bearish candle, this thing is going to continue up, I think. Looks like the buyers got momentum today. We'll just hold the run, let it run. Tomorrow, Japan retail sales. Ooh. But why would Japan's retail sales be good? Oh no, I'm not trusting this one. Like, I'm just wondering, like, if they are not on lockdown, right? But they have like earthquakes and stuff like that. Oh, this is year on year. Okay, never mind. Retail sales, unemployment is looked at heavily for Nikkei. Oh, okay. Unemployment. I learned not to trust Forex Factory's marking anymore, because they mark the UK PMI and something else, low impact also. So this one is high impact, but the retail sales is medium. But at least the unemployment is high, which should be the case, right? Yeah, I only look at this one as a summary because sadly for its factory, financial news is not very clear. Like this one easier to see. But they have missing news sometimes, so I open them both. I can't imagine this huge ass ship going through a huge storm in the ocean. Damn, man. This ship is damn big, it's like a building.
The one in the Suez Canal.
Yeah. I can't imagine. Can you imagine this thing going into a storm? What if the storm is so big and all the containers fall off?
Nah. They tend to lock them down pretty tight. Those kind of ship always make them journey.
Yeah, true. I bet when the captain got stuck right here, was like, oh shit.
Now all the ships have to sail. They have to go around Africa.
No, some of them went, but some of them are just like waiting. I think they cleared the ship with I saw just now. Freighter sent something. Almost free. Cause of the blockage. Oh. Okay, let's see. High yellow form, but this candle is not the best. Look at the Pigutong cup.
Guess what I'm drinking?
Coffee.
Yes.
Oh, look who's a grown up now.
Turned 21. I have to drink coffee now.
Wow.
I'm not an adult. I didn't put milk either.
Wow.
No point. Tastes the same.
YouTube and Zoom is not the same. I do a lot more other things with the Zoom people. So YouTube stops in 10 minutes. Zoom continues all the way until New York session. And on the weekends we do other things also. So Zoom is like a little bit like group coaching, I would say. At least that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm in the midst of cleaning it up, getting some stuff done first. But some people like to turn on the mic and talk, that's why they join. So different people are different. Sunday hang, your name is our weekend group gathering. Anyway, YouTube friends, if you all have any questions, I'll be on for another 10 more minutes. Then I'm going off because this is just a run already. Take a break before the next stream starts. Yeah, I call my, because we do stuff on Sunday, right? I call it Sunday hang. How high will GJ go? It needs, if it breaks 151,800, which is a previous resistance over here on the 1 hour, then I have a few levels. The next level for me, 152, this resistance here around 152, and then finally 152,500. Anything beyond that, I'm not sure. So as we go higher, right, I need to see how the price action reacts to each of these individual zones. So the next one will be 151,800. The Zoom is not open now. It'll be open again in May, when I sort out my stuff. I'll announce it if I open it again. As we near 16 April, I'll let you all know, Angela. I haven't decided. $151,400. $151,400 support now. Yes, this area here, right? So this area of resistance now, so far it seems to be holding. So 15-minute broke above, came back down to retest, and it's holding this level. So seems like it is support. But I wouldn't, if you want to buy this now, I think you might have to wait for at least an hour close. Because the problem with the previous hour is I didn't like how this candle closed below or at the same level as this resistance. It failed to break, even though there was a lot of bullish momentum here. So it still failed to break this high. Now it's breaking, but the candle has not closed. So I like it better if we can close above, retest this level of resistance, then continue up higher. No, I'll win, it's okay. When I came back after the losing streak, did I cut my risk in half? I cut my risk in half not because of the losing streak. I cut it because of the time of the month that we were at. So when I came back after that, I think it was the third week of March going into the fourth week. So I knew it was the last week of the quarter, last week of the month. So I just sized down. So even for this week's the first week of the trading month, right? And the first week of the quarter, I also sized down because I traditionally my performance has been weaker first week of the month. GG is your resistance on the wick or on the body. It's an entire zone. So if you really want to draw up this area here, I usually just put it as a zone. So for me, this is the resistance, right? I usually just use the bodies to the wicks, and then this is my zone. I capture as many wicks as I can. It's not a line. Just make a higher low on the 5 minutes, so New York should keep going bullish. This higher low is the first sign, but it has to break this resistance to confirm that it still wants to go bullish. So there's a few steps. Higher low does not equal that it's still going bullish yet. So if this one is the first sign, breaking of this 5 minute resistance is the second sign. Break and close, not just a break. Because if you look at the the bearish candles, 1, 2, 3, so many. Then the bullish candles, this one pushed up, failed to break the high. So these two pushed up, failed to break this. Now it's trying again. So it has to break this intermediate high first. If it doesn't, then it's going to range inside this area until it breaks this high, retest, then go again. Safer, at least for me. I don't like to trade breakout candles. Oh, the last stream open. Oh, the London stream's closed already. So, I'm about to go off YouTube. So for me, for the price to continue higher, the next 1 hour candle needs to close above this resistance for me. Then after that, 151.800 is the next level that I'll be waiting for, looking for to break, so that price can continue higher. Okay, I will see you all tomorrow, YouTube. Thank you, everybody. Yes, Teta, it's Alexi. No, that's Guala's little brother. Safe trading.